Welcome, McBride Mustangs. It is great to see you guys today. I hope you guys are doing great. So Wednesday, February 3rd at 9 was our kickoff. Okay, that means that you probably were at the kickoff assembly either this morning or yesterday, depending on when you are watching this PE lesson here. Okay, but I just wanted to show you a couple of the things that are going on with the Kids Heart Challenge as well. And if you weren't able to make the kickoff assembly, this will give you some important information that you need to know about our wonderful Kids Heart Challenge fundraiser this year. Okay, first off, okay, when you fundraise for the American Heart Association and Kids Heart Challenge, in return they come at you with some wonderful thank you gifts. Okay, just for registering online, you can get this Kids Heart Challenge bracelet right here. Okay, that's just for registering. Okay, at $5 you're looking at Dash. At 10 you're looking at Getting Sam. At 15 you're looking at the Spaghetti Yo-Yo. At 25 you are looking at Iker. At 40 you are looking at Kai. At 50 you are looking at the t-shirt. Okay, you get your very own t-shirt. At 75 you are looking at a playground ball. Okay, and at 100 you are looking at Journey. At 200 you are looking at Tay and Scout. Okay, at 250 you're looking at some really super cool socks, and at 500 you are looking at a ball launcher, and 1000 you are looking at speaker. And if you complete Finn's mission, okay, which you'll be able to learn more about on the website, you would get the Finn's Mission wristband, the yellow one as well. Okay, so there are lots of cool thank you gifts that you guys can earn by putting in the work and fundraising a little bit for the American Heart Association. See, I got most of those keychains here. Pretty cool. Check them out. Good stuff. You can try to collect them all, and the cool playground ball, the cool t-shirt. Okay, lots of great stuff. Okay, and how those work, guys, like always, okay, whatever money total you get to, okay, let's say you get to 100, you get everything from 100 and below. Okay, you don't just get the $100 item, you get everything that led up to the $100 item. Okay, so all of that fundraising. And again, guys, always remember, you are not buying thank you gifts. That's not what you're doing. Okay, you aren't buying. That keychain does not cost $100. Okay, but that is just simply a thank you for you fundraising $100 that goes to a great cause with the American Heart Association, helps kids with sick hearts, and is great, a great thing for you guys to do. Okay, so lots of cool opportunities for you there. Okay, and let's see what else. Goal. Okay, our school goal is $1,500. Okay, I believe that we can totally dominate $1,500, guys. We can. Okay, we've got a hard working group of kids here at McBride, and it's not about raising, you don't have to go and raise $250. If you want to, that is awesome. Okay, but if everybody pitches in and everybody raises just a little bit, if everybody raised $10, okay, we would do fantastic. Okay, if everybody raised between, everybody raised between $5 and $50, just think about how unbelievable we would do. So it's about everybody pitching in a little bit and fundraising just a little bit. Okay, and of course, if you were at the kickoff assembly, you know all this, guys, and you probably already are registered online, and you're going to do most of your raising online. That's the thing, guys. The American Heart has been doing online raising for several years, and now it couldn't be any more important than it is this year. Okay, so just because you aren't having close contact with a lot of people, okay, that doesn't matter at all. Okay, you just get on the phone, you say, "Hey, aunt, uncle, grandma, grandpa, I'm fundraising for the American Heart Association. If you would please get onto my fundraising page," and give them the information about your page, and they'll get on there and they can easily just donate right to your page. Boom, it magically shows up, okay? So that is awesome, okay? The top participating class earns virtual lunch with me, with Mr. Jart. Any student who raises $75 or more gets to silly string me, that's right. And hopefully we'll be back by the end of the year and you'll get a chance to actually silly string me, okay? And the school who raises the most will get to silly string the other 2 PE teachers. So if our school raises the most, okay, I will get to silly string the PE teachers from the other schools, guys. That would be pretty cool, okay? And we'll make sure that you get a video of that happening if that's how we have to do it, okay? So that is all of the exciting things that we have going on with the American Heart Association and Kids Heart Challenge this year. Thank you guys so much for your efforts, and any raising that you do all goes to a great cause, big, small, no matter how much, guys. So look into it. I hope you were at the kickoff assembly. If so, you got a lot more details than that were here in this video. And if you have questions, obviously come to me and email me, and I can answer those questions for you. Thanks a lot, guys. I look forward to McBride doing an awesome job with the Kids Heart Challenge this year. Okay, guys, your joke of the day. What is the best shade of red for your heart? Beet red. Get it? Beet red. I know you liked it. Your sports trivia of the day. The world record for the longest stretch of consecutive jump roping. Somebody starts jump roping. How long did they do it consecutively without stopping? Let's guess in hours, guys. 24 hours are in a day. Use that as your measurement tool. World records are always amazing. Correct answer, 33 hours and 20 minutes. That is a day and a third. Unbelievable. Consecutive jump roping. And it was an American named Joey Matze, something like that. Okay? Incredible, guys. Imagine jump roping for 33 hours and 20 minutes. I don't think so. Not for me. All right, guys. Let's get warmed up today. Right leg, let's pull it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Straight down to the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reach for the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And right arm across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left arm across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And right arm back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left arm back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Swing them forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's roll out the wrists. And other way. And push one hand up against the other. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And back here. And let's go side to side hops. 2 foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hop in place. Hop on the left. Hop on the right. Nice job, guys. Good little warm up. Okay, guys, so today we are going to take a break from gymnastics because we are going to get into some jump rope, okay? We always do our jump roping during our Kids Heart Challenge, okay? Because Kids Heart Challenge used to be called Jump Rope for Heart, okay? So they went hand in hand together, okay? So it still feels only right to do our jump roping during our Kids Heart Challenge, and that's what we will be kicking off today, okay? So if you have a jump rope, guys, please go and grab it, okay? If you don't have a jump rope, maybe you can find a random length rope, okay, that would kind of work, that would be about the right length. If you're grabbing it about here and you can step on it, okay, you're looking at about the right length of rope, okay? So if you do have permission from somebody at home to use some loose rope that's in the garage, okay, you can absolutely create your own jump rope, okay? If not, totally okay. You can get a great jump roping workout in with imaginary jumping, okay, and not actually having the rope, okay, and you don't make mistakes, which works out well, okay? So don't be concerned if you don't have a rope, okay? A lot of people do, but of course not everybody, and so if you can't find something that works as a rope, imaginary is fantastic. Okay, guys, let's get after it starting now. All right, guys, so I have my rope. First thing we're going to talk a little bit about is grip, okay? And when I grip the rope, I like to just grab the handle and have my thumbs coming forward like so, okay? This is a comfortable position for me, okay? I don't like to grab it like this, wrapping my thumbs around, okay? I don't feel as comfortable swinging it like so. So I put my thumbs out like so, okay? And very first thing we're going to talk about is just getting started, okay? So easiest way to learn is to have your rope here, okay? Step over your rope, have your rope behind you, okay? This is step number 1. This is the super basics here, guys, super basics. And all you're going to do is swing the rope. Just like so. Step over and swing the rope. Step over, swing the rope, step over, okay? If you're just going imaginary, okay, you can do this, guys. See my arm motion? Okay, it's going from here to here, just like so. Step over, and step over, and step over, and step over, and step over, just like so, okay? So that's the first thing. Once you have the good spin going, then you're going to be ready to move on to this next step. And that is to make your initial first jump, okay? So I'm here, and I'm going to go over, okay? But this time, I'm going to jump and clear the rope just one time. Here we go. Just like that, guys, okay? No reason to start overly difficult. Just spin and jump. Spin and jump. Okay. Spin, jump, jump. Watch my arms. Oop, went over a second time there. They're just bending at the elbow, okay, and coming around in a motion like this, and that rope's coming with it, okay? And spin, jump, Good job. Hopefully you are getting the rope spun around and you're successfully jumping over it at least that one time, okay? Keep up the good work on that. We're going to take a very quick pause and then we'll get on to some more challenging jumping. The very first jumping that we really want to focus on is just consecutive forward jumping, okay? So we've done the slow-paced swings and the single jump, okay? Now let's focus on trying to get some put together consecutively, okay? So again, step through, and rope is behind me, and I'm ready, and I'm going to spin, and I'm going to jump and try to keep spinning that rope as I go, okay? Remember, if you're just learning, it's going to be frustrating. It's going to hit your feet. It's going to hit your shins, okay? If you're spinning the rope fast, it doesn't feel great when it hits you, so be prepared for that, okay? If you're just going imaginary with us, you're going to do great, okay? So here we go, and we're off. Okay? Now you see, once I've begun to jump consecutively, my arms are moving much less than just my initial movement of moving the rope, okay? Now I'm mostly just wrists, okay? My wrists are doing a lot of the spinning, okay? I get up near you. You can get a little closer look at my arms. My wrists are doing most of the work. As I'm moving, I'm making airs. Okay, so if you have your rope, make sure you're doing this with me. If you don't have your rope, you're doing it as well, just without the rope. Good job, guys. You can already, if you're doing it with me that whole time, you're already getting a burn in your calves, okay? That's mostly where I feel it, okay? That short time, my calves are already getting fatigued, okay? So, let's do one more go of consecutive, and then we'll move on to the next jump. All right? If you're first learning, you might be going at a slower pace. You still want to be light on your feet. It should be light when you're hitting the ground. You can barely hear it. If you go slower, it's harder to be light. And a lot of times, you'll hear a big, okay? If you hear that big thud when you're hitting the ground, you're not being light enough on your feet. Okay, guys, we are going to move on to the next jump for today. Okay, guys, this one is kind of fun. If you are still getting the standard jumping worked out, don't move on to these. Just continue working on your standard jumping, okay? So let's go. This is still just forwards, okay? But 1 foot jumps, okay? You just choose whatever leg you like to jump with the most, okay? I prefer to jump on my left, so I'm going to go left. And break. Okay. Again, if you're not stringing together long consecutive jumps, that's okay. Okay, guys, this one here is called the rocker jump, okay? Kind of like a rocking chair, how you're moving like so, okay? You're going to turn your legs into that. I'm going to put my left forward, right back, and here we go. Definitely a more challenging jump. Make sure you're trying it. If you want to, if you don't want to, stick with standard jumping. All right, good job, guys. That was the rocker jump, okay? And just one moment here, we will do the next one. Grab a drink of water right now if you need it, okay? and we'll finish up here shortly. All right, guys, good to stay hydrated. Okay, now let's talk backwards, okay? Backwards is definitely, some people don't think so, but I think it is much more challenging than forward jumping, okay? Although it's not that much different, it's just the rope's going the other way, okay? So, as a quick practice here, rope's gonna come here, okay? Step over, get that spin figured out. Good, now let's try to do a single jump as it goes. Got it. Don't let it come and hit you in the face. Okay, all right, now let's give it a shot to go consecutively. I'm not as good at the backwards as the forwards, that's for sure. Here we go. I always find I gotta widen my arms a little bit more, and I gotta jump just a little bit higher. Woo! Lost it there. Good job again if you're doing it with me, awesome. If you're not moving on and you're just doing standard jumping, that is fantastic, okay? We'll do one more backwards. One more backwards set. And then we'll go our final drill and we will hit the road. Here we go. All right, good job with the backwards, and the final component is coming up next. Okay guys, our last drill is gonna be just forward jumping. We're gonna see how many rotations we can get in a minute, okay? And I'm gonna do it as well. I'm gonna put the stopwatch on my phone. I'm gonna put it down here. Hopefully I can see it as I'm jumping, okay? When I get to a minute, I will stop. And I'm going to myself, count the rotations that I do. If I make an error, I'm just going to restart, okay? And you should do the same. And so if you have a way to time yourself, great. But if not, you can just follow along with me right now, okay? And I will say go, and I will say stop, okay? So prepare your area. We're going to do forward jumps. We're going to see how many we can do in 1 minute. Okay. All right. Ready. Set. Go. Stop. All right. It is not super easy to count them and jump at the same time, okay? But what was your number, guys? Excited to hear it, okay? Fortunately, I did go without any errors, and I was able to get 134, okay? 134 jumps in 60 seconds, okay? I think I was counting correctly, okay? But the longer you count, the more you're kind of questioning how you're doing, okay? But that's a good one that you can do on your own if you want to try to beat your own records, okay? Excited to hear if some of you guys beat me or not, okay? 134, and great job with jump rope today, guys. It has been a ton of fun, and keep on jumping. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. It has been awesome. Kids Heart Challenge, keep up the good work. Remember, raising a little bit will equal a lot in the end, okay? So keep up the hard work and work hard for that American Heart Association. Thanks, guys.